The good. The Fujifilm X100F produces excellent photos and the updated autofocus system is a great improvement. Plus, it improves on the control layout and retains the manual optimized shooting design and fast lens that have made it a favorite. The bad. Sad battery life. The bottom line. An advanced compact 4 wide-angle and manual photography fans. The Fujifilm X100F improves upon an already great camera with better autofocus performance and a fine-tuned design on top of its already excellent photo quality. The previous generation of Fujifilm's popular enthusiast compact with an f/c-size sensor, the X100T, had been around for over 2 years before Fujifilm debuted the X100F, and the camera had only gotten one significant update since it launched in 2011, when the original X100 graduated to the X100S. And while the X100F has essentially the same design, albeit with a few layout tweaks, Fujifilm has made some notable improvements in the camera that, combined with a dearth of cameras in its category, fixed lens compacts with large f/c-sized sensors, makes the X100F pretty much the only game in town at a reasonable price. Thankfully, it's worth the money. That price is $1,300, £1,330, and about $1,800. That's almost twice the price of its older sibling, the $700 X70, which seems to be discontinued in the UK and Australia, but is still available in the US. That's too bad, because all that's really left at that price are 1-inch compacts like really old Sony RX100 models and the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. The big upgrades to the X100F include the same 24.3 megapixel X-Trans 3 CMOS that's in its X Pro 2 and X-T2 mirrorless models and a far better autofocus system inherited from the X-T2.